Meet Light Architect, an easy-to-use augmented reality app for lighting design. Light Architect lets you visualize light fixtures and their effects from wherever you are and virtually see your space in a new light. Ready to get started? All you need is your mobile device. If this is your first time accessing the Light Architect app, open your App Store and search for Light Architect and tap the Install button to download the free app. The Light Architect icon will appear on your device's home screen when it's finished downloading. Tap the icon to open the app. The first thing you'll see is a licensing agreement, which includes our privacy policy and terms of service. Scroll to the bottom and check the boxes, then tap the Accept button. This app will need access to your device's camera, so you'll need to allow it access when you see the prompt. You can choose to read through our Quick Start Guide for instructions and pointers. You can come back to the guide or troubleshoot at any time by tapping the Guide button in the upper right-hand corner. When you're ready, click on Let's Get Started at the bottom of your screen. When you first start using the app, you'll see some prompts to help you navigate. You can enable or disable these at any time by tapping the Guide button. First, you'll be prompted to scan the floor so the app can register the room. Simply point your camera towards the floor and move your device around. You should soon see a mesh pattern appear, letting you know that the app has registered the space and that the scan is complete. Tip: to create the most accurate design plan, it's key to scan the entire range of the space when registering the room. Now it's time to start designing. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to open a catalog of fixtures that you can try out. Tap any fixture to make your selection and place it in your space. You can adjust the fixture's position, height, and orientation by tapping the icons at the bottom of the screen. You can also customize finish, color, and shape, and view the fixture from any angle or position to get a true sense of how it looks in the space. Once your selections are final, you can also see how the fixture looks when illuminated by tapping the light bulb button. Ready to share with colleagues or clients? Press the camera button to capture an image of your selection. You can also choose to send specs and product information about the light fixture. Now, all that's left to do is dream, experiment, and plan using the app. See any space in a new light with Light Architect.